Hey everybody, Nick here, also known as the Bearded Housewife, and welcome to another paper crafting video. Today I have a really fun summer craft for you. This is my summer gnome layered paper craft. Isn't this just so fun? That super cute gnome, he's holding his surfboard in one hand, the beach ball in the other, that cool palm tree in the background, and I just love the gnome's sunglasses. This project comes together really quick. It's super simple to put together, and I can't wait to show it to you. Before we get started, make sure to hit like and smash that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any paper crafting fun. And with that, let's get to it. Step 1. Get the free SVG cut file. Okay, here we are at my website, thebeardedhousewife.com. If you don't have an account on my website, you can head to the sign up button. You'll be brought to a page that has all of our different membership tiers. We have free, monthly, and annual memberships. You can go ahead and select which option is right for you. But for now, I'm going to go ahead and click sign in. I'll go ahead and put in my credentials and log into the website. And now we're logged into our account. To access the full file library, you can go to the Files tab on the main navigation bar and select File Library, and then you're brought to all the files. For this project, you're going to want to look for number 255, that is the Summer Gnome Layered Paper Craft. Go ahead and click the icon, download the file to your computer, make sure to unzip the file, and then we can open up Cricut Design Space. Step 2. Upload the design to Cricut Design Space. We have a new project open in Cricut Design Space. We can go ahead and click Upload, Upload Image, and Browse. Find where we downloaded the file onto our computer and click Open and Upload. Highlight the image and click Add to Canvas. Step 3. Resize the design. And you'll see that our project has been brought into our canvas. Now I have sized this project to be as large as it can possibly go within the 12 by 12 cutting mat. Those cutting dimensions are 11.5 by 11.5 inches. So you'll see that the design has been sized to 11.5 inches high. You can resize this design however you wish, but since this is the size that I intend to use, I'm just going to go ahead and click Make It, and you'll see the different mats for this project. Go ahead and click Continue. For this project, I'm going to be using a variety of medium cardstock. I'll go ahead and get everything cut out, and I'll see you when it's time to put everything together. Step 4. Cut out the design. Step 5. Assemble your project. Okay, so I have everything all cut out, so it's time to go ahead and start to put the gnome together. I know that all these pieces together is a little bit jumbled and a little bit confusing just because of their size. I can't fit them all in the shot at the same time. But we're going to go from the white or the gray, the rose color, darker burgundy color, light blue, green, pink, the skin tone, cream, tan, orange, and then the brown. Now I do have a layering guide within the download that will help explain or help visualize how to layer all these pieces together. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to layer everything up. I'll speed the video up just a little bit, and then I will show you what this summer gnome looks like when it's all complete. And there is our fun summer gnome layered paper craft. Isn't he so cute? Ready for the beach? Just so much fun. How super cute was this project? I love that gnome so much. He really is perfect for any kind of summer decor. Resize the design and he'd be perfect on a card. Side edge, layered card, super fun. I hope that you like it. If you do make this project, make sure to post it in our Facebook group. We have thousands of card making and paper crafting friends who love to motivate and support each other, and we would love to see your creations. I have a link down below for you to check it out. Until next time, I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife, and I will see you at the next paper crafting video. Bye!